it.
Yeah.
Well done.
Are you holding that in your other hand?
Yeah, and it's nice and warm. So it's warm.
No. Ah!
Oh yeah, it's warm. Ah!
It's nice in here, isn't it? Oh, get me GoPro.
Well, I flew over there.
Put a picture on Facebook.
Yeah.
Wow,
That's
good.
a good one.
Really
Good swimming.
Good for his knee, this as well.
Yeah.
Daddy!
Taylor, right, shall we go underwater?
Yeah.
Right, Mummy, can you get us something to fetch?
Hang on.